Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today we will be talking about a website. It's called People Per Hour, which you can make a lot of money. Interestingly, it's just for if you're a good designer or if you're having some skills. There are categories in it, like AI services, technology, programming. If you're good in writing, translation, design or anything, it's up to your skill. Like here, if I type anything like logo designing, 3D designing, anything, so this website is basically for you. Okay, so let's suppose and here are some expert freelancers who are earning like a well amount of money, like $96 per hour, and she has 4.9 stars and 115,000 reviews. And let's see what is he doing actually. So yeah, this is he's basically Hero SEO. It's a top ranking SEO consultant, and his portfolio, you can you can even put your portfolio here, and the offers which you can do as well, and they put you all the data here, and like your experiences, and what you do, and the people who have given the reviews out of the of their work basically. So if you I would suggest you to go into the AI AI technologies like AI integration, AI content editing, AI audio and speech, and all. Wow, this is amazing. AI speech and audio. I mean, you don't have to work that hard. Record a niche male or English voice using AI. I mean, you don't have to do anything. Just by the use of AI, you can give the services to the people. So I guess this is one of the biggest the advantage you can get by using AI services. And when I go to the reviews of this website, so definitely there were 36 reviews, and they had other competitors like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and people find it much easier and a friendly freelance platform, and like it's a small platform, but it's a very useful platform. So yep, they have a Instagram. Basically, my Instagram is not working here, so you have to so how it works basically. When you go into the how it works, you'll get all the information over here, like post a project, how to post the project, discover the freelancers, and also like if you're a freelancer, you just have to go here. It depends upon you, like how you want to be work as a freelancer. I want to hire freelancer, so you get to both. So guys, you just need to sign up. you know it's not that much like a difficult. Just say I want to be a effective freelancer. And once you do this, you just have to fill all the information, what services you will be providing. So you're gonna get all the, and you will start getting orders. Like I will suggest you to go for the LinkedIn profile, so in order to make the things done. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and do subscribe my channel, and I'll get back to you with a new video in the future. Thanks so much. Hey everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today we will be